Hindi ko masabi na delikado. Ang masasabi ko lamang ay naiiba. It is not anymore normal. It has become the new normal. And China poses a clear and present challenge to the Philippine Navy and the other Philippine maritime players in the West Philippine Sea because of her expansionist activities. Siya ay umaangkin na hindi sa kanya. Wala naman tayong dispute sa kanya. Inaagawan lang tayo. We are really protecting what is ours.
So hindi parang wala akong naramdam na takot po sa inyo when you speak, no? Kasi first of all, sinabi po nyo clear and present challenge, hindi yung the usual clear and present danger.
Ayan,
so para po sa inyo, hindi siya dangerous at this point po. Tama po ba?
Yes, it's not yet, it hasn't reached the tipping point yet. We don't want to get there.
Sana
but
naman hindi.
We're doing everything to prepare for any eventuality. Yung ating Philippine Navy and Armed Forces, yun ang mandato po natin.
Pero sir, ano yung plano natin after this incident? Kasi, well, this is, sabi nyo nga, this is the first, this year. Pero hindi ito yung unang beses na nangyari na nang aasar tong China na to eh.
Water cannon.
Diba? Nang-water cannon, nang laser.
Hindi naman. If you recall, last year, nung ating Chief of Staff ay pumunta sa BRP Sierra Madre, tinamaan din yung kanilang chartered boat ng water cannon. Yung Coast Guard naman ay tinutukan ng military-grade laser. Yung ating mga iba't ibang barko ng Coast Guard, Navy, mga fisher folks natin, yung BFAR ay ginagawa ng illegal maneuvers. Kumbaga sa EDSA, ginigit ka ng motor. Sa West Philippine Sea, ginigit ka ng maritime militia. So may mga kaukulang plano naman ang Philippine Navy how to address this.
Pero Commodore, hanggang saan po ba hantong ito kung madalas baka magkaroon ng malaking aksidente at mauwi sa banatan?
Alam mo, Manny, yun ang sinasabi na tinuon pa man. We have been saying it, the government has been saying it. This illegal action should stop. It's only one move away from an unwarranted situation. An accident could happen that could escalate beyond our control and we don't want to get there.
So pwede nating invoke yung MDT sakasakali.
May proseso naman doon. It's always assuring to have the Mutual Defense Treaty. Pero hindi naman yan switch na parang i-switch on mo, i-switch off mo pag gusto mo lang. May proseso naman dyan. But it is assuring to have the Mutual Defense Treaty.
But habang hindi pa natin nasuswitch on yung Mutual Defense Treaty, sir, pwede ba yung mga joint patrols kasama yung mga partner natin sa ibang bansa? Just, to give support to our forces para hindi naman tayo nabubuli. Lalaki ng mga vessel nila eh.
Oo.
Yes ma'am, ganito po yan. Yung ating concern there is territorial in nature.
Okay.
Yung concern ng ibang bansa ay yung freedom of navigation. That the high seas should be open to all players in the maritime domain. Regardless kung malaki bansa man o maliit. Doon concerned ang ibang bansa. Kaya sila ay sumusuporta sa atin. And it just so happened, tayo na sa front line. We were gifted with geography na tayo po nakaharap sa West Philippine Sea, sa South China Sea. So lahat sila ay nakatingin sa atin. And they are supportive of us. As we state that we are also supporting a free and open use of the sea lanes of communications.
Commodore, marami na po bang kaalyadong bansa ang nag-express ng support sa Pilipinas sa huling pangyayaring ito?
Yes, katunayan, Kamani, last year we had an exercise, I think it was sama-sama exercise, na marami sumama sa atin ng mga foreign nations. It used to be a unilateral Navy exercise. On short notice, we were able to transition it to a multilateral exercise. May na-join na taga-Australia, Japan, US, I think France, Great Britain, and Canada. So yes, they are very supportive of us and we could expect more maritime activities involving the Philippine Navy and other navies sa West Philippine Sea.
Commodore, meron tayong balikatan na susunod na buwan. Meron ho bang naval exercise drill na kasama dyan?
Yung details man, hindi ko po alam, but we have forthcoming BK 2024. One of the areas being considered is up north, yung ating mga northern islands, and I believe also Palawan. Hindi ko palang alam ano yung mga detalye ng mga activities.
Ayun.
Pahabol lang, sir, na-damage kasi yung isa nating asset eh. Ilan
Oo,
na nga
yung-
asset natin
yung ano, Coast Guard.
na-damage pa eh.
Oo.
So, do we have enough na, pang palit na hindi naman na uubos-ubos yung ating asset?
Sapat ba mga bus, equipment?
May kaukulang assets naman tayo na na pwedeng magamit.